Carbon monoxide poisoning sends a Milwaukee mother and her 4 young children to the emergency room.
The deadly gas forced them to undergo hyperbaric treatment early this morning, but as 12 News' Portia Young shows us, the family is extremely lucky.
Like most families across Milwaukee, the one living here at 17th and Mitchell tried to keep warm last night. Their landlord says he installed a heater in their unit just yesterday. This morning, a mother and her 4 children were rushed to St. Luke's Hospital.
We turned the heater on and everything was fine, you know. Carbon monoxide, they never plugged it in.
The detector?
Yeah, the detector.
Carbon monoxide has no smell, no color, and unless you have a detector, it has no warning. Lieutenant Brian Smith of the Milwaukee Fire Department says the device, like a smoke alarm, is the best way to prevent trouble.
That's the sound of a CO detector. It's much different than a smoke detector that has a continuous beat. And most carbon monoxide detectors typically go off when you have 400 parts per million within 4 to 15 minutes.
That level of CO in the air is the beginning of what could turn deadly. Back on Mitchell Street, landlord Mike Toro says the children who escaped sensed something was wrong.
They don't have a phone, so they called the lady next door, and one of the kids came over and said they were all dizzy.
If you don't have a CO detector, your body tells you you're being poisoned through nausea, vomiting, and dizziness. But once those symptoms come, it's often too late. In Milwaukee, Portia Young, WISN 12 News.
The family is recovering tonight. 12 News learned today the city does not require landlords to provide CO detectors, but Mike Toro did anyway. The fire department says the best place to install a CO detector is near your bedroom because most poisonings happen when people are sleeping. You can review the list of carbon monoxide symptoms on our website, WISN.com.